Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your product details using jQuery and AJAX. In the last video, as you can see in the last video, I fetched the product details and I just printed all the things into our pop-up model. And in this form, in the case of the updation, I don't want to use another jQuery function for update this form. When I click on this save, it's, as you can see, here is one more thing. In updation, if I already have a product thumbnail, it's not be required in the update condition. Okay, so I'm just going back to my product.php file, and where is that? Okay, I just copied this line. I'm going to taking this source, because I'm going to check if this source is not empty, then it will not required. Okay, so I'm going to the submission form, and yeah, here is my submission. So after this, I'm checking the source in a variable. Okay, I just take a variable let, otherwise the const thumb underscore preview equals to, yeah, okay, and I copy this thumbprint and going down where we checking the validation for the thumbprint, and if this is equals to blank, sorry, yeah, this is equal to blank or null. Okay, yeah, okay, and I paste it. Just copy this. I mean, I set the curly braces at here, and yeah, I think all is working fine. So I'm just going to check, and again I refresh this page, and when I click on this edit, and when I click on this save button, it's not asking for the validation or selecting the thumbnail, and it's calling this payload. Okay, and one more thing, as you can see, we have this update product in a form type, and another thing is we don't have ID yet. So how can I set this ID? And I also, I don't want to send as a ID. I just want to send as a like the product ID, so that will be better. So I'm just going to the pop-up model. Okay, before that, I'm just checking this one more thing, and just close this form. And when I click on this add new product, what will be happen if I click on the save? Okay, it's asking for the thumbnail, brand name. Yeah, when I click on the save again, it's again not asking for the selecting the select thumbnail. It skip this validation and is moved to the short description. But I don't want to do that in the adding a new product. So what should I do? I just copy this same thing again, and I'm just going to the main.js file, and in the case of the add new product section, I just paste it over here, and I set the source as a, I mean set the source of this fetched product thumbnail as a null. Okay, so for checking these things, we can just simply go to the elements, and as you can see, I'm not refreshing this page. So as you can see, I already have this. Where is this input type thumbnail? Yeah, here we have, as you can see, it's not showing, but it's still there is our product thumbnail. So again, I'm just refreshing this page, empty cache and hard load, and now I'm checking this product thumbnail. Where is that? Yeah, here we have. Currently we don't have any value in the image source. So when I click on this edit button, now we have this source, and we click on this close button, and when we click on this add new product, now this source is gone. As you can see, we don't have this source. Okay, cool. So let's close this form, and now I'm again going to just set the what we need to set. When I click on edit, when I click save button, it's here is ID. I need to set as a product ID, and I want to set the validation. Sorry, I set the product ID value. So I'm just going to the pop-up model. I'm in the form, and the form where we have yeah, here is the cat ID. So I just change with product ID, product underscore ID, and I paste it also in the name. Okay, and I'm also going to the response where I fetch all the product details, and I make a selector hash product ID and dot value, and setting the value of this product ID and save. Now just refresh this page once more time. When I click on this edit button and when I click on the save, now as you can see we have this product ID which is 6, and yeah, when I click on this edit, now this product ID is 4. And also I'm going to the top of the page and I set the pagination. I'm just change with the 5. Okay, that will be cool. Okay, so our next thing is moving to the product.php product underscore action.php file. As you can see here we have this product form type. So I just copy this and I paste it after this line. Okay, so and so replace this form type equals to what was that. When I go down in the response, like there is a here we have this edit product, and as you can see I set this form type as a update underscore product. So I just copy this again and I paste it, replace with the save. Okay, and for the now I just when I check echo updated. Okay, and I put it die for the now, and I refresh. Sorry, I don't need to refresh. I just checking with this mobile test. When I click on edit and when I click on the save and go to the preview, as you can see now we are calling this updated method, updated condition. Okay, so here is some points we need to notice. Okay, I just remove this line for the now. If you are not choosing this choosing or selecting any product thumbnail, we want to just we just want to stay with the previous thumbnail. So I don't want to call these functions or these conditions. Okay, so what we need to do, so for these things I just copy this line. Sorry, yeah, I just copied this line and I paste it over here, and I just replace with the name. If not equals to null, then we are calling something. Again I'm checking with this echo no image uploaded, and I put it with the die. Sorry, we need to type image uploaded. Okay, now I'm just checking with this save. Okay, we got this error uploading file error. Okay, I just refresh this page, and when I click on edit and when I choose any file and I click on save, then should be type the image uploaded. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this whole thing of the image uploading process. Actually I just cut this line whole thing. I just cut this whole thing once again and I paste it over here, and I just cut this line. Where is that? Yeah, I just cut it out and paste it after this line. Okay, okay, cool. And also I'm just working with the Okay, I just putting this. Here is the process of updating our product. Our product. Okay, and I'm just going back to the another thing like the cat action, and just copy the line up for the updating, and just copy this line for the now, and just copy this and paste it at here. And I choose this, I change the table name, which is the products, and where we have the product underscore id, sorry, product underscore id equals to our product id. So I just copy this and paste it here, and I take a variable name which is dollar, same as this, and dollar underscore post. Because you can notice this on in your payload, we have this product underscore id we are passing from the payload. So I just copy this thing and paste it over here. Okay, that's good. And new file name. So basically what we are working, I mean what we are doing, we are checking if our product thumbnail, I mean if our product thumbnail name is not blank, then it's send out the new file name and the file name. Otherwise, else, in the case of the else condition, okay, we are not sending else condition for the now. Let's check in the browser. Let's refresh this page once again, and I updated with of this name like that. I'm clicking on the edit. What, well, syntax, okay, sorry, it's my bad. Let's see. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, all is cool. Now let's refresh and click on this edit once again, and I updated with the M34 5G. Okay, now I'm going to update undefined variable result in this line 149. Okay, why I'm getting this error? Okay, let me check. 149, here we have. Okay, let me check this if condition. Oh, my mistake. I just need to move this line once more. Okay, and I save. Now I just copy this product data and paste it over here. Okay, and as you can see, we are checking with the file name. So I just put it with the else condition. Else dollar underscore file underscore name equals to blank. Okay, just save, and now I'm checking with the same thing. Okay, I'm input M34 5G, and I click on the save. It's one. When I refresh this page, as you can see, we got this M34 5G page. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to load this automatically whenever we click on the edit or update or add new product. So where is this? Okay, product thumbnail. Yeah, success, and let's check with the location.reload. Save, and I just refresh this page and click on this. This is the wrong name, so I just edit this. MSI cyber bug. Okay, and change with that laptop and change the brand name, and I click on the save. As you can see, we are reloading our page, and is updated our form. Okay, and also I'm going to try to change the thumbnail for the now. So select, now click on the save. So as you can see, how can we easily update our product thumbnail using the same pop-up form. Okay, here is one more thing. When I click on the edit button, this is not change with the say update button. Okay, so how can you change this button name also? I'm just going to save button. Where is my save button? Yeah, here we had this submit button. So I'm taking the class name with the save. I'm taking the submit. So I'm going to the edit function. Here's my edit underscore product. Change with this selector with the ID. So I take the ID selector and dot text with the update. Okay, now let's see with the I'm going to refresh and click on the edit. As you can see, we have this update button, and when you click on add new product, it's still the update. So again, I copy this line and paste it in the main.js file at the top of the page with the save. Okay, let's refresh. Now click on the add new product. Here we have save button. When I click on this edit, we have the update button, and again when I click on this add new product, okay, it's not okay, I'm going to hard reload. Click on edit, we have this update. When I click on add new product, we have this save button now. Okay, I think there is some problem in my computer with some memory or cache related problem, so don't worry, ignore these things. And now we are meeting in the next video with some new task, and so stay with me. Happy coding.